Hey guys, I know it's been a hot minute, but let's jump right into this tutorial. So right now I'm going to be priming my eyes with the P. Louise base shade in number 2. It's my favorite of all time. It gives me the perfect blank canvas. Now I'm going to go into my cut crease with this brown shade. I'm going to have all the details linked down below. I'm not going to put a lot, just a little bit, and I'm going to diffuse the edges. Now going back in with my P. Louise base, I'm going to cut the crease. Again, I'm going to have all the details down below, which brushes I use and everything. But I'm going to cut my crease and make sure that the product is flat. And with a different brush, I'm going to pat down the product and put down my nude eyeshadow color. So I already laid down my tape, but I'm gonna go back in with the brown shade and create a smooth, diffused wing. I definitely recommend trying the tape technique. Once you remove it, it leaves you with a sharp, precise line, and it's unmatched. Try it and you'll love it. Now I'm gonna jump in and lightly pat on some glitter. I try to do everything with the least amount of product so that I can get that effortless natural look. Onto lashes, I'm putting on these lashes by Lily Lashes in the style Rumour. I already have on my e.l.f. Cosmetics Camo Concealer, so I'm just setting it with Laura Mercier setting powder in Honey. Here I'm going into my waterline with my Revlon eyeliner in the color brown. I also take it all the way into my inner corner and create the tiny little wing. With the same shade from earlier, I'm going to take a small blending brush and take the color into my lower lash line. Using the same glitter, I'm going to go into my inner corner under my little wing and put in a little bit of the glitter. And using my favorite mascara of all time for my lower lashes, I'm going to go in with my Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Mascara. For highlight, I'm going to be using Mavin Beauty in Dripped Out. And this is the finished look. It's nice and easy, perfect for a night out. I'm in love with it, I'm obsessed, and I'm super glad that you guys loved it as well. I hope that this tutorial has been able to help all of you achieve this look, and I'm going to be coming back with more. So please make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications to be the first ones to watch my videos. See you next time.